Welcome to Get Fit, Get Active.
Get Fit, Get Active gang, how are you? How are you getting on with everything? Are you enjoying? And if you have done every one of these workouts, whoa, amazing, please put it in the comments, let me know. I love to hear from everybody. We are going strong for 30 workouts. I hope you're going to be with me. Now we are progressing a little bit today, so we're going to use some light weights. I have got some, these are just 2 kg, but if you've got 1 kg, or even if you would prefer to use a water bottle, grab a water bottle and you can use those for the resistance. We're going to focus on upper body for 7 minutes. Are you ready? Shall we do it? Let's work shoulders, let's work chest, let's work upper back in just a short amount of time. So come on team, let's do this. Now I'm just going to put the weights down in front. I want to just take the first interval and just warm up. Here we go. So we'll take a single. We're doing an interval today. There we go. Single, double, lift with your right arm, both together. Again, this is just a little bit of a warm up for the upper body, and then we'll pick the weights up next, and then we'll focus. One more. Now circles. Here we go. Big circles all the way back. Now single, single, double circle. Now just a little bit of a twist to the right and twist to the left. Do it again. One more. Bring the hands down and a squat. There you go. Warm up your knees and your hips. Now take a side bend to the right, center, left. That's it. One more. Do it again. Reach over. Reach up. 10-second rest. 4, 3. Okay, big circles. Rotation right and left. Have a shake. Okay, are you ready? Now we're going to take one weight first of all. You're going to bend onto your left knee, and this is a 1-arm row. So lean forward. This is working your upper back, your rhomboid, your trapezius. Again, now if you are less mobile today and you're sitting down, you could do all these exercises seated. So if you know somebody that wants to get a little bit more mobile, a bit more active, please share the videos, share them on your pages. So we can do change sides, step back with the left arm and the left leg. There we go. So you are working through the upper body. That's it, go, go, go. Take a 10-second rest. Just 2 more, you've got 10-second recovery. 1 more. Recover, good work. Grab the weights. Now we'll do a combination of different shoulder exercises. We'll start with the weights by your side. Bicep curl, shoulder press, down and release. Curl, shoulder press. There, so it's up and lift. And again, curl, shoulder press to the top. Waking up the shoulders, 1 more. Now turn the weights around, front raise. Again. Now both arms to the side, lateral raise. Out to the side, 1 more. Now turn the weights forward, front raise. That's it. 1 more. Here we go, lateral raise, out to the side. Good, 1 more, go back to the bicep curl and the shoulder press. So curl, lift, down, release. 1 more. Good, and recover, well done. Now this is for your tricep, so this is the back of your arm here. Going to start with the tricep extension. Again, you could be seated, take your arm to the top, take your left arm and just guide your arm down by this side. So you're just gently pressing your arm into your head, basically. So you're getting your tricep there, and you're using this arm just to spot. 2 more triceps. Now hold it at the top, take the other hand, switch, and repeat it on this side. Here we go. Good. Again. There you go. Keep it going with the triceps. Push down. You're feeling this. Now I'm going to take both arms. There's your weight. Bring it down.
Take a 10-second rest.
Good.
In 4.
1 more time. Fantastic. Bring your hand down, release. Now pick up your other side. Let's do the front of your arm, your biceps. Enjoying this, are you? And you can always do this one again. Just rotate as you curl. And you can always increase your weight. And again, consider your posture. Keep the back straight, pelvis still. And just basic bicep curls, just one at a time. And then let me know how you're getting on here. Good. So we curl and release. Curl, lovely, one more. Now both together. So curl up and then down. Good, curl and release, that's it. So keep it going with the shoulders, just up to the top, straight down. That's it. Now hold it in the middle.
Take a 10-second
Just a
rest.
pulse in the middle. 4, 3,
2,
and recover. Well done, how are you feeling? Now we're going to introduce you to an upright row. Hands together, elbows up. We'll do 4, and then we'll do 4 lateral raise. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lateral raise out to the side. 3. One more. Here we go. Upright row. 4, 3, 2. Lateral raise out to the side and change. One more. Now turn the weights around. We have a front raise. So just keep your arms straight. And then change the angle. Take the hands out to the side. That's it. One more. And then back to the center.
Take a 10-second rest.
Good. Here we go. 4, 3, and recover. Well done. Just relax your shoulders. You're there. So let's just stretch the shoulders. Take your hands back. Stretch your shoulders. Take your hands up behind your back. Stretch your chest. And relax. Shake out. Rotation right and left. Good. And I'll see you for the next video, the next workout, which I'll release later, which will be all legs. So we're doing brilliantly. Let me know in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe, ring the bell so you know where I go live every single day at 7:10. And these workouts are uploaded to the channel every day at 5:30 a.m. UK time. Remember to like and subscribe.